It's not gonna be a fast forward chat, it's me walking. Sometimes there's seals up here. Yeah, you gotta think about us for a change, chat. This is where you go, chat. This is one of them. Fisherman's Grotto. There's another one you go to right here, chat. The Abalone. And if you really want to sit down, they got the restaurant over here. Dog. You get some whale watching right here, chat. Oh damn, look, they're fighting, they're arguing. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're right there. You actually go on top right there. We'll probably go in a bit. More whale watching boats over here. Sometimes they pull in the boats right here. The fishing boats. Oh look, there's one right here. On the weekends it's full. If y'all watch Mythbusters in like middle school, high school, they did a thing over there where like I think they put like pinballs or something like that, ping pong balls in a boat to let it come back up, something like that. I don't remember, but they came here. Let's go up there now. I'm just gonna spawn up there. Oh, we're here. And the restaurant's right here at the end of the pier. Escalator. Oh. I thought it was a statue. That's a guy. Oh, look at the sea dogs. There's people all over. Let's go sneak by. Oh look, that one's upside down. Always going up. This one got a big head. Oh, you. And look, that's me right there, chat, on my own. Recording these videos for you guys. Chat. Oh damn, that one just filled. This one's upside down. Oh. I'm not the only one watching, chat, look. So it's okay. Oh. We're at the wharf. There's actually a little trail all the way. It goes to Cannery Row. The aquarium's over there. A couple of restaurants, stuff like that. You can actually follow. There's a path goes all the way to like Pebble Beach area, Pacific Grove. A lot of people watch the sunset over there. Y'all should definitely come out here, chat. All right, let's go get the clam chowder. See if we see anything on the way back. This one is same thing. Here's the original canister, chat. You guys want to go inside? Alright, you guys got it. More Laffy Taffy. Another taffy. Candy. How good, you? That's where I go, chat. You got a jacket when you forget one? I think the store's been here too. No, it hasn't. I lied. They built that